This one is a Toyota Axio 2008 model, and if you install aftermarket Android player or any infotainment system and you don't know if it supports Apple CarPlay or not, then this video is for you. And I have this one in the packet. It doesn't have any indication for Apple CarPlay or anything, but it does support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both. If it supports Apple CarPlay, then it will probably gonna support Android Auto, and I have resetted it, so it's basically the new as you can get. My one is from Nakamichi, a Japanese brand. However, your can be from anywhere. To have the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, your Android player need to have this type of app. For instance, mine is Z-Link 5, some is other link, or for instance, as you can see, it's called Z-Link 5. Okay, I mean it is some sort of this thing. I mean either Z-Link 5 or any other app that should be installed in your Android player, pre-installed actually. If it does have, then don't worry, you're gonna support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. To support this, first you need two things. One is you need to have the Bluetooth connection with the car. So for that, for instance, here is my phone. Let me unlock it. Okay, now I have to go to the settings and then the Bluetooth options, and as you can see in my Bluetooth there is nothing right now. So what you are going to do, as you can see, there is no car beat or anything. So allow me to show what you should do. First go to this. If you have Z-Link, that's better, it's good and it's really better. After you open Z-Link, it will look like this. First, don't touch this. This is for mirroring. This is not Apple CarPlay. Go to the settings, and after you go to the settings, just adjust. Like for my case, driving position is on the right, and floating navigation, this one is like always will be there a shortcut for Z-Link 5. I kept it on. You can keep it on or off depending on your preference. And background connection, keep this on. If you keep this on, whenever you come back to your car, if you connected the Bluetooth to this player, it will automatically go to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay depending on your device. Default connection type, it says last mode. Change it to link mode first. Okay, because you don't need to use mirroring. I mean, what is the point of seeing in the phone and in here? I mean, it's just double hassle. So keep that in link first. Keep these settings, and then you just need to go back home, and after back there you go to the Bluetooth. For instance, here I don't have any Bluetooth devices that are connected, and now I'm gonna unlock my phone and go to the Bluetooth, see if this device is available. As you can see, it's available now. Car BT says here, so I'm gonna click here. Let's see if it connects. And this is the part, I mean, literally you can say hardest part is to get connected. I mean, there are buttons for deleting, connecting. I mean, for instance, I'm clicking here, it says pair. Now I will click pair, and it says allow contact and free sync, allow hands-free device connected. I mean, as you can see here, my iPhone got connected and it automatically started Android Auto. And after it is starting this, here will be a pop-up like connect to CarPlay. Just connect, and after connecting it will show this circle, and here is the CarPlay. I mean, what is the benefit of CarPlay? If you, I mean, like, I can use my phone, whatever I can I can do, and I can just close it and it will stay here. I mean, I can make calls from here, use navigation from here, and it will operate from the phone, but it will show on the display. I mean, the processing is happening on the phone, but the display is just showing it. As you can see, my phone is completely off right now, and this is what I want to show you. I mean, this is how you connect CarPlay on your device. and if I come in back and just turn on the Bluetooth, this will automatically connect. Let me show you a demo. Let me turn off my car. Let's see, I turned off the car and my phone is also, as you can see here, I mean, let's go to Bluetooth first. Here you can see not connected. As you can see, just remain it here. Let's turn on the car, and as you can see, it can be anywhere like this. As I've turned on the background connection, it will probably, I mean, just here, as you can see, car BT connected, and here it will automatically go to Apple CarPlay. I mean, if it's your personal car and it's your phone, then obviously do it. And as you can see, CarPlay is on.